Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people. I'm gonna tell you all how your month of August 2021 would be. At the starting of the month, Ketu will be over your moon sign or in your ascendant. In your third house, there will be Saturn. In your fourth house, there will be Jupiter. In your sixth house, in the Aries sign, there will be Moon. In your seventh house, in the Taurus sign, Rahu would be there. In your ninth house, there will be a Buddha Aditya Yoga, a Sun Mercury conjunction. And in your 10th house, there will be a Mars Venus conjunction. The important thing to note is that Saturn and Jupiter would be retrograde. So this is the planetary position you will be witnessing at the starting of August 2021. Well, Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all something about August 2021. I want to tell you all that when you all enter the month of August 2021, you need to be fearless at this moment. You don't need to fear anything in your life. You need to become bold and aggressive at this point in time. You need to show some courage at this point in time. You need to show some courage in taking some important decisions in the month of August 2021. You need to eradicate that fear which is in you. You might be fearing that if you take that important decision, you might fail in it. You must be thinking that if you take that decision, what will the other people tell you? You must be fearing that if you take that decision and you go wrong with it, how will you face your near and dear ones, your loved ones? You must be fearing that if you take that important decisions, you might lose a lot of money. You might lose some relationships. You might lose some important assignments in your life. So, if you are fearing taking that decision, my request to you all would be take that decision anyhow. Face those fears and take that important decision anyhow. Because the decisions which you are holding on is stopping you from achieving your goals and dreams in your life. It is stopping you from achieving greatness in your life. So don't fear anything in the month of August 2021 and take that decision. You cannot let your fear hold you back from your destiny. You have to feel the fear and do it anyhow. Do it broke. Do it scared. Do it nervous. Do it trembling. Do it on a wheelchair. Do it on crutches. Do it on your knees. So, in other words, you have to do it anyhow. However hard it may be to take that decision, take that decision in the month of August 2021. And if you take that important decision in the month of August 2021, then no one can stop you from succeeding in the month of August 2021 and later on. You need to show great courage during this time. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is the willingness to act in spite of your fears. So, courage is one thing you need to show in the month of August 2021. And you need to forget about your fears. Let me reiterate that if you take those important decisions, if you take those decisions forgetting about your fears, then you will see success in the month of August 2021 or later on. Well, this is what I wanted to tell you all for the month of August 2021. Well, now let me start predicting about the Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant sign. Let me start with people who are doing a job or are finding a job for themselves. Let me tell you all that the people who are trying to find a job for themselves, this month is gonna be a lucky month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see some very good success in finding that job which you have been trying to find since a long time now. There is a strong chance of you getting contacted by your prospective employers, your potential employers during the month of August 2021. It might be so that they call you for a second round of interview and you might join that company in the coming months. I'd request you all to keep on working hard in finding that job for yourself. Well, for people who are doing a job, this month is gonna be a fantabulous month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see very good success in your current job at this moment. Your bosses and superiors are gonna be very impressed with your work which you will be doing for that company, that organization. They would be extremely happy with your work at this point in time, and the work which you will be doing for that company, that organization, will form a basis for your future promotions, your future success in your career. Even if you have to work extra hard during the month of August 2021, please do so, because this is gonna reap benefits for you in your future. Well, for business people, this month is not gonna be a great month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see a lot of hindrances, barriers and obstacles in your business at this point in time. You wouldn't be happy with your business at this point in time because you would see some dearth of money in your business at this point in time. Your customers are gonna remain unhappy with you, with your products and services at this point in time. There is a strong chance of you losing money in your business at this point in time. This does not mean that you leave your business. You need to continue with that business which you are currently doing, and maybe not in this month, but later on you will see that your business will grow. Well, on the health front, this month is not gonna be a great month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see some problems with your health during the month of August 2021. You could experience some new diseases, some new illnesses during the month of August 2021. And it would be difficult for you to overcome these illnesses and diseases in the month of August 2021 itself. Well, for those people who are suffering from a chronic disease, their complications are gonna increase in the month of August 2021. You need to be very careful with your health during the month of August 2021. However, the parts of the body which you need to take care of is your lungs, your heart, your kidneys, your pancreas, your eyes and your teeth. If you face any sort of problem regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then you need to give special attention to it. Well, for people who are in a romantic relationship, let me tell y'all that this month is gonna be a fantabulous month for y'all. Y'all are gonna experience a lot of love from your love partner during the month of August 2021. All your past differences, all your past arguments, all your past fights, all your past debates are gonna end in the month of August 2021, and you and your love partner are gonna stay in complete harmony with each other. Y'all are gonna support each other in everything y'all are doing. I mean, y'all are gonna support each other mentally, emotionally, physically, and I wouldn't be surprised if y'all help each other financially as well. The only source of problem I see for y'all is your friends, your near ones, or your loved ones. They might try to create a misunderstanding between y'all. So avoid such people, ignore such people in your life. Well, for students, this month is gonna be a fantabulous month for y'all. Y'all are gonna concentrate, focus on your studies during the month of August 2021. Y'all are gonna be very enthusiastic about your studies during the month of August 2021. Y'all are gonna work hard behind your studies at this point in time. You'd find a renewed interest in your studies at this point in time. You'd be able to comprehend, grasp and understand all those subjects which you weren't able to until now. And for those people who are appearing for a competitive exam or an exam, you do very well in your exams at this point in time. The only source of mass distraction for y'all would be the opposite sex. So don't indulge yourself with the opposite sex at this point in time. Well, for married people, this month is not gonna be a great month for y'all. You and your spouse are gonna face too many problems between y'all at this point in time. There'd be very serious misunderstandings between y'all during the month of August 2021. And one of you might feel that it is time for you to leave the other at this moment. Basically, you are gonna get frustrated. You are gonna get fed up with your spouse at this point in time. And there is a strong chance of y'all staying without each other at this moment. Though staying without each other may not be a permanent thing for y'all, but during this month, there is a strong chance of y'all getting separated for a few days or a few weeks. Well, your friends, your family, your loved ones may come to your rescue at this point in time, and they might try to help you to reconcile with your spouse during the month of August 2021. Well, for people who are in the stock market, let me tell you all that this month is not gonna be a good month for y'all. You need to stay away from the stock market during the month of August 2021. You'll be seeing a lot of losses in the stock market during the month of August 2021. And if you are seeing losses in the stock market, don't panic and sell those stocks which you are currently holding. Hold on to those stocks, because sooner rather than later you will see the stocks reaching your cost prices and further up. You need to be very careful while gambling in the stock market. You need to be very careful while gambling somewhere else, because there is a strong chance of you losing money in the month of August 2021. Well, if you are planning to make investments in the stock market, my suggestion to y'all would be, please do not do so in the month of August 2021. In other words, don't get active in the stock market in the month of August 2021. Well, for people who are in debt, let me tell y'all that this month is gonna be a better month for y'all. Y'all are gonna find some money, some resources to pay that EMI, that installment on time, which you had taken from your creditors. Your creditors might be unusually friendly with you at this particular moment, and they might give you some financial relief. I mean, they might waive that interest portion of that loan which you had taken from them. You are gonna make a determined effort to pay your installments, your EMIs on time in the month of August 2021. And I am certain that you will be able to pay those EMIs, those installments in the month of August 2021, which you were not able to pay earlier. Well, for people who are trying to take a fresh loan, don't take that loan in the month of August 2021. Well, Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell y'all that I make a very special amulet, a very special prayer box for all you Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people. Well, if you have been facing any sort of problems, any sort of difficulties, any sort of sorrows, miseries, worries, any sort of predicaments and ordeals, any sort of hurdles, barriers and obstacles in your life, and you think you have tried hard enough to overcome those problems and difficulties without any success, then my suggestion to y'all would be to use these remedies. Well, if you install this prayer box in your house or wear this amulet, then these remedies are gonna help you to earn money in your life. It is gonna enhance your luck in your life. It is gonna show you prosperity and success in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then this particular prayer box or this amulet is gonna help you to rise up once again in your life, and it is gonna propel you to run towards that thing called success, which we all want. Well, this prayer box, this amulet is a religious amulet, a godly prayer box, which can be installed or worn by any person of any religion. Because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I am talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented this universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one creator of this universe, one inventor of this universe, and that is the Almighty God. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping that one God, that same God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that any person of any religion can install this prayer box or wear this amulet. Well, this pretty much completes my predictions for the month of August 2021 for all you Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people. If you are interested in some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this life once again. And besides that, if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to earn more money in your life, if you want to see success and prosperity in your life, if you want to experience richness in your life, if you wish to be called a positive person in your life, if you want to experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great month of August 2021. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.